Today, I'm going to show you how to manually enter credit card transactions in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, go to Expenses. Then select Expense Transactions. At the top, click New Transaction. Then choose Expense. This opens the expense form. First, choose the payee. Select the vendor or merchant that charged your credit card. Next, choose the payment account. Select the specific credit card used for the purchase. If you have more than one credit card account, make sure you choose the correct one. Now go to the Category Details section. Choose the expense category that best matches the purchase, such as office supplies, software, travel, meals, or another appropriate category. Next, add a short description explaining what the purchase was for. If the expense is connected to a specific customer or project, select the customer in the Customer field. Then enter the amount exactly as it appears on your receipt or credit card statement. If the transaction includes different types of expenses, you can enter them on separate lines and split the total between the correct categories. Before saving, review the payee, payment account, category, description, customer if applicable, and amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. The transaction will now be recorded against the selected credit card account. Repeat the same steps for any other missing credit card charges. And that's how to enter credit card transactions manually in QuickBooks Online in 2026.